Welcome students, this is Bala sir and I'll be taking you Maths for standard 7th and our chapter is Indices chapter 6. But before seeing this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and like the video. Hello, welcome to all. Today we'll be studying indices. Now what do you mean by indices? Now let me tell you clearly in details. Let's say I have 4 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time and 5 time. Now 4 is given as 5 times, so you can write this as 4 raised to 5. Now this 4 raised to 5 means we call this as 4 raised to 5. Here this 4 is called as a base and this 5 we called as an index. Now let's start about the base and index. When I say 2 raised to 9, now here this 2 is called as a base, this 9 we called as a index. Now how you write this 2? 2 is multiplied 9 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 times 2 is multiplied. So you write it as 2 raised to 9, in which 2 is the base and 9 is the index. Let's take another example. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now this 5 is written 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we call this as 5 raised to 4. Now suppose I write 5 raised to 2. You can call it as square of 5. Square of 5. Yeah, if 5 raised to 3 is there, you can say cube of 5. Whenever 3 is there in the index, we call it as cube. 2 is there index, we call it as a square. But you can also call as 5 raised to 2 or 5 raised to 3. Now let's find the value. Now let's say 5 raised to 4. We want to find the value for 5 raised to 4. So write this 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now multiply this. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 125 into 5 is 625. That means the value for 5 raised to 4 is 625. Let's take some other example. Let's say minus 2 upon 3 the whole cube. Now how you read this? Minus 2 upon 3 the whole cube, or minus 2 upon 3 raised to 3. Now how to find the value for this? Minus 2 upon 3 you have to multiply 3 times. Here this minus 2 upon 3 is a base, 3 is the index. Remember, now I'll multiply this minus 2 upon 3 times. So you get, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So I'll write 8 upon 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. But see the sign, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Now the value for minus 2 upon 3 the whole cube is minus 8 upon 27.
Post.
Now I'll tell you another example. A raised to m. How you will read this? A raised to the power of m, or you can say a raised to m, or you can say the mth power of a. So m can be any value. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be any value. If I say 7 raised to 1, it is 7 you are multiplying only one time. So that means 7 a raised to 1 is 1, so that is 7. If I say 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1 is 5. The conversion is not written, it's not to write it. Now let's say a raised to 1, it is a. Let me tell you the another example. Now let us solve practice set 26 from your textbook. This is the table of practice set 26. We have to complete the table. Now this column is the indices column, base column, index column, multiplication column, and here you have to write the value. Let's say for one example is given 3 raised to 4. Now 3 is the base, 4 is the index. Now the multiplication is what? 3 should be multiplied 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you multiply 3 4 times, you get 81. Like 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3, 81. Similarly, let's solve the one which is a given blank. Now tell me which is the base from 16 raised to 3. 16 is the base. Index, 3 is the index. Multiplication, 16 should be multiplied 3 times. 16 into 16 into 16. Now when you multiply this 16 into 16 into 16, you get the answer as 4096. Now another table, the third one is base is given as -8, index as 2. So you write -8, put a bracket and write 2. -8 the whole square, or you can say -8 the whole square or whole raised to 2. Yeah, -8 raised to 2. Now how you present this in multiplication? -8 into -8. What is 8 8s are? 64. 64. Minus into minus plus. So it is plus 64. Let's solve the fourth one. Indices. Now here the multiplication is given 3 upon 7. But how many times it is given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you write 3 upon 7 the whole raised to 4. Which is the base? 3 upon 7 is the base and your 4 is the index. When you multiply this 3 upon 7, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 81. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 is 2401. The last one, fifth one, indices -13 whole raised to 4. You can say -13 raised to 4. Base is -13, index is 4. Now how you represent in multiplication method? -13 will be multiplied how many times? 4 times. -13 into -13 into -13 into -13. So how much you get when you multiply this? You get 28,561. So this is the method to complete the practice set 26. Now let's find the value for the given numbers. Same in practice set 26. Here in question number 2, the question is find the value. The first sum is given as 2 raised to 10. That means 2 you have to multiply 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get the answer as 1024. Now this is your answer for 2 raised to 10. Second one, 5 raised to 3. 5 into 5 into 5. Here you get the answer as 125. Multiply this 5 3 times. Next, -7 into 4. So -7 you write 4 times. -7 into -7. Here you get it as 2401. Now let's check the sign. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. So it is plus 2401. Now 6. Minus 6 raised to 3. Minus 6, minus 6. Here the answer is 216. Now let's check the sign. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Here the answer is minus 216. Now 9 raised to 3, 9 into 9 into 9. 9 nines are into 9. You get it as 729. But remember students, one more thing. If the index is an even number, the answer will be positive. If the index is odd number, the answer is minus. Next, seventh sum, 8 raised to 1, that means 8 you have to multiply only one times and the value you get is 8. Now 4 upon 5 raised to 3. This 4 upon 5 you multiply 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Now tell me, 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, can anyone tell me? 16 into 4, it's, yes, 64. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. So the answer is 64 upon 125. Minus 1 upon 2 raised to 4. Minus 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2. Let's see the answer. 1 ones are 1 into 1 into 1. You get it as 1. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. What about sign? Here you see the even number. Even number means positive sign. If it is odd number, it will be a negative sign. Let's say it out. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. So here you get it as plus sign.